Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Fan. Before we start our video, I have some questions for you. Do you like dogs? Is there any dog-related word in your language? Do they have positive or negative meanings? In this video, I want to share with you 8 words and idioms related to dog in Chinese and the cultural meaning behind them. Without further ado, let's begin. Let's look at the key word of this video first. Gou. Gou is a noun which means dog. Number 1. Feng gou. Feng crazy. Gou dog. Feng gou crazy dog. Can you guess what does this word refer to? You're right. It refers to someone who is acting crazy. Who did you go out with? Did you go out with Lucy? Are you cheating on me? I just hung out with my bro. You can call him to ask. I don't even know who is Lucy. 你别像条疯狗一样，见人就咬。你别像条疯狗一样，见人就咬。你 you 别 do not 像 be like 条 measure word 疯狗 crazy dog 一样 same 见 see 人 person 就 it's a conjunction here which connect two actions together 咬 bite 你别像条疯狗一样见人就咬 Don't be like a crazy dog attacking whoever you see. Number 2. 狗东西狗 dog 东西 stuff 狗东西 dog stuff? I don't think it's a real meaning. Can you guess what does it refer to? Let me tell you the answer now. It is actually a bad word that can also be used as a joke word between really good friends or couples. It is like son of a in English.
这座皇城四面都是墙，我们逃不出去了。
那我就抬着这墙。
你这个狗东西，怎么说不听呢？你这个狗东西。
Number 3. 舔狗舔 to lick 狗 dog 舔狗 lick dog. Is that the real meaning? Can you guess what does this word refer to? It refers to someone who can do everything to please and satisfy another person, even though that they know the person has no feelings for them. It is like simpleton in English. Why are you still dating Jimmy? He doesn't even care about you. He's so handsome and sexy. I'm happy as long as he looks at me. 别做任何人的舔狗。别做任何人的舔狗。别 don't 做 be 任何人 anyone 的 it is like s in English to show possession 舔狗 simpleton 别做任何人的舔狗 don't be anyone's simpleton. Number 4. 哈巴狗哈巴狗 pug. It is a type of dog which is very short, fat, and with big eyes. Can you guess what type of people does this word refer to? It refers to someone who follow, flatter, and do everything to please another person who usually has a higher position. It is like flatterer in English. I think this project worth investing. Wow, Mr. Wang, you have the best insights in the world. I cannot express my admiration for you with language. You are the god. 他是王总的哈巴狗。他是王总的哈巴狗。他 she 是 is 王总 President Wang 的 show possession 哈巴狗 flatterer 他是王总的哈巴狗。She is a flatterer of President Wang. Number 5. 狐朋狗友狐 fox 朋 friend 狗 dog 友 friend 狐朋狗友 dog and fox friend? Can you guess what does this word refer to? You're right, it refers to friends who only know drinking, playing, do nothing serious, or do something bad. You can understand it as bad friends.
Why you just came back? Look at the clock. What time is it already? You smells like a stinky egg. 别整天和你的狐朋狗友在一起。
别整天和你的狐朋狗友在一起。别 don't 整天 all day 和 with 你的 your 狐朋狗友 bad friends 在 be 一起 together。别整天和你的狐朋狗友在一起。Don't always be with your bad friends. Number 6. 狗眼看人低。狗 dog 眼 eye 看 look 人 people 低 down 狗眼看人低 dog eye look people down. What does this idiom refer to? It is used to describe someone is arrogant and looks other people down. It is like act like a snob in English. What are you doing? I'm creating my own YouTube videos. Not everyone can be a YouTuber like me. 你别狗眼看人低。你别狗眼看人低。你 you 别 do not 狗眼看人低 look people down. 你别狗眼看人低。Don't be like a snob and look me down. Number 7. 狗改不了吃屎。狗 dog 改 change 不了 not able to 吃 eat 屎 shit 狗改不了吃屎 dogs not able to change eating shit. It is used to describe someone cannot change the old habit. It is like old habit die hard in English. Hey, what's wrong with you?
My boyfriend just cheated on me again.
Why not just break up with him?
But I love him so much.
男人出轨就像狗改不了吃屎。男人出轨就像狗改不了吃屎。男人 man 出轨 cheating 就 just 像 like 狗改不了吃屎。Dog cannot change the old habit to eat shit. 男人出轨就像狗改不了吃屎。Man cannot change the habit of cheating. It's like dog cannot change the habit of eating shit. Number 8. 狗拿耗子。狗 dog 拿 catch 耗子 mouse 狗拿耗子 dog catches the mouse. It is used to describe someone like to mind other people's business. It is like put one's finger into another's pie in English. How much you earn per month? What car do you drive? Did you get an apartment yet? I got two in Beijing. Are you married yet? My husband is CEO of top 5 company. I'll ask him to introduce his stuff to you. 狗拿耗子多管闲事。狗拿耗子多管闲事。狗拿耗子 Dog catches the mouse. 多 many 管 mind 闲事 others business. 狗拿耗子多管闲事 Mind your own business. I know there was a period of time in Chinese history when dog had a bad reputation, but nowadays numerous Chinese keep dogs as their baby daughter or baby sons. Dogs are definitely more related to positive meaning like cute, lovable, and loyalty. Okay, that's all the content for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you like the video. See you soon. 再见。